Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to send money from the United States to Mexico with BBVA. This process makes international transfers simple and secure. Let's get started. First, log into your BBVA app or online banking account in the United States. Next, go to the Transfers or Payment section. Then, choose International Transfer and select Mexico as the destination country. Now, enter the recipient's details, including their full name, BBVA Mexico account number or CLAB, and confirm the bank is BBVA Bancomer. After that, type in the amount you want to send, select the currency, and carefully review the fees and exchange rate. Once everything is correct, confirm the transaction using your security method, such as SMS code, token, or biometric verification. Finally, BBVA will process the transfer, and the recipient in Mexico will receive the funds directly in their BBVA account, usually within minutes or up to a business day. That's it. Sending money from the US to Mexico with BBVA is quick, safe, and convenient. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.